Hey guys, welcome to Long Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to delete Viber call history on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete the Viber call history on your iPhone, first open up the Viber app. And after opening the Viber app, you can see the calls option available on the bottom of the screen just beside the chats. Tap on calls. And after landing over here, you can see the recent calls option available over here just below this ad, which is the Viber out, and it will always be available over there. And beside the recent calls, you can see the view all option available over there. Tap on view all, and after you are on the call logs of the Viber, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the edit button available over there. Tap on edit, and you can manually choose to delete the call logs over here like this by tapping on the minus sign. After we tap on edit, whichever we want to delete the Viber call history, there will be the minus sign appearing. Tap on that minus sign, and again a cross sign will appear. Tap on that cross sign to delete individual call history, well as at the top left corner of your screen you can see the clear option available. Tap on that clear option like this, and you'll be able to clear all recents which you had made. And you can see all of the Viber call logs has been deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your Viber call history on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.